How to fix Viber not opening on PC. What's up everyone? In this video I'll show you guys quickly how you can fix this. Go ahead and try to double click on your Viber to open it. And if you are having trouble opening up your Viber, then in that case what you need to do is first right click on it. And then you should be able to get the option called Run as Administrator. Just click on that. And you should be able to open Viber like this. But if you don't want to give it the administration privilege, you can right click on it, go to more options. And then from here, you'll have an option called troubleshoot compatibility. And it will check if there are any trouble with your app and check if there are any compatibility issues. If there is not, then what you can do is just close this window out. And once you do that, head over to settings, click on the start menu, go to settings. Once you land on the settings page, go to Windows Update and see if there are any updates available. So click for check for updates. And if there are any updates available, just update your laptop and you should be able to use Viber normally on your laptop. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys and I'll see you on the next one.